Hi guys, I am April Jackson, beautifully and wonderfully made, and today I'm going to show you using the Cricut Design Space app how to download an image from Google and upload it into your Cricut Design Space and clean it up to be able to use it as an SVG. So you go to Cricut Design Space, select photo from library. I already downloaded the image to my phone, so I'm uploading the image. This is the image. As you can see, you see where it's black right up there in the corner. That's how the image looks before you clean it up. So right now I'm just cropping the image to where it's only the words. So all right. So then we're gonna use the remove. Sorry, I'm just showing you right here how you can click there and you'll see it's black. So we're gonna use the remove one and we're gonna press in the green area. As you can see, it removed all of the green. So now we're gonna go into each individual letter and click on it using that remove one. So all you gotta do is press it once and just click inside each letter, each number, and it removes the green. And so as you can see with that P, I'm with the smaller letters, I have to enlarge, like you can use your fingers to enlarge the photo some so that way you can get inside of them. So like I said, I'm just going through each letter and removing the inside. Like you see, I messed up on that D, so you just press the undo button and redo it. Pretty simple, pretty simple. And this is a one color design, so of course it's super easy. Now when it's two colors, that's when it get a little bit trickier, but with this one it's pretty easy. So like I said, all you do is just upload it, use that one tool to erase. And I like using the app because it's so much easy. To me, it's so much easier than using a desktop or a laptop when you're trying to clean up an image. I really like the using the app. You'll notice that a lot of my videos when I'm showing you how to do something in Cricut Design Space will be from off the app. So right there, you see that little green space between the T and the E. I tried to press it and it erased both the T and the E. So I undid it and then I went back and pressed it again. And anytime that you're cleaning up your image and you want to know if everything is looking good, you can always click that white box up to the in your left corner, and it'll show you just how your SVG is looking. So right now I'm using that eraser tool. With the eraser tool, you can make it large or small, and I'm erasing those little pieces around. So I click the little box to see what I need to fix. As you can see that P up there, I need to get that excess out of there because when you cut the vinyl, it will show that excess. And this image could be cleaned up a little bit more, but I just wanted to show you the basics of how to go about doing this. And if you mess up and you make a mistake and you erase something, you just press the undo button and it'll take you right back. So you see, we clean up that P. It's still a little spot in there. Evidently I didn't notice it. There's still a little spot in there. Like I said, it could be cleaned up a little bit more, but we press the next button. I'm gonna press cut because this is gonna be a cut image because we're gonna use it with vinyl. And then you just name your image, whatever you want to name it. I just named it 99 Problems. And you save. Your image will go here. You click on the image, press insert, and voila, it is now on your canvas. And you can resize it to whatever size that you need to size it to for whatever you're making, whether you're making a t-shirt or whatever you're putting on. I thought the I thought this little saying was cute. I got 99 problems and my toddler single-handedly created 98 of them in 27 minutes. I definitely can relate because I have a toddler. Definitely can relate. But anyway, hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comment section. Subscribe.